Hi. So today is 15th May, and right before I was about to record this reading for you, I saw 1555 on the time on my laptop. So 555 can be important for you, 15 can be an important number for you. So go online and search the meaning of these numbers, and you'll get your message, additional angel message. Okay, there's something about balance. Okay, this is about a love reading in general, and this is about how you can manifest union with whoever, see, this is a confirmation that we will get the messages as we want regarding your emperor. Whoever you are dealing with is in their emperor energy, and this was in reverse, I think so. Yes, this was in reverse confirmation. So yes, this is not an ending with your person. Let's begin with that. This is not the ending, this is the beginning. Okay. Right now on the bottom of the deck is justice. So justice will happen with you in this connection. And on the top of the deck is wheel of fortune. Like everything is aligned in this reading up till now. Yes. So the wheel is turning in your favor. The outcome of this situation will be in your favor, so do not worry. Okay. Now let's begin with the you will feel very peaceful. Now let's begin with your actual reading. And now let's begin with your shuffling. I think I will need the second deck, the Ascension cards deck, for your reading. Hopefully I will get one card from this deck for you. There are a lot of cards, I cannot take so many cards because they are like more than 10 cards. But hopefully, okay, please guide regarding union of couples. Spiritual family, please guide us regarding union of couples. How can they make their union, including marriage, happen with each other in 3D reality? Okay, the few I can take are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cards, yes. Okay, 7 is also a spiritual number. Maybe you are on a spiritual journey with your partner. That's a confirmation. First card is Ascended Masters Retreats. Okay, Ascended Master Retreats. Number is 49. So 49 can be, numbers. I'll just tell you the numbers, okay? 49, 22, 9, 30, 39, 47, 7. So these can be important numbers, like within, including today. These are the number of days in which you can meet your partner. Like the lowest number of days will be 7, and the highest number of days will be 49. So yes. Okay, interesting. So 7 is the lowest number of days and 49 is the highest number of days that has come up, and 7 the square of 7 is 49. So maybe something related to that, 7 into 7, 7 is being repeated, squared, something like that. Somehow I'm getting somebody is in a twin flame journey, like with your true twin flame. You have actually now finally, after so many false twin flames, you have finally met your true twin flame, is what I'm getting. And maybe this reading is a confirmation that whoever you're going to meet next now in 3D reality is your true twin flame. Yes. For some of you, you're going to get married to them. For some of you, I cannot tell for major of you, but yes. Okay. So this card, you have mastered your lessons and ascended. You are disciplined, compassionate, and you have conquered all the challenges despite um, all the difficulties, despite physical challenges, and you have conquered all of them. Now is a time for retreat, for maybe meditation, more than that, sleep. You need to, maybe your sleep cycle is disturbed, maybe you've not been sleeping good since many days, and now is the time when you should rest, because what I'm hearing intuitively is that now things are going to speed up, and I'm seeing a place where there is a river in the middle of a city, like in the left hand and the right hand side is the city, and in the middle is the river, and this place is not India, for sure. So for some of you, maybe you're going to travel abroad to meet your person, maybe you are going to travel abroad and there you will meet your person, or maybe you are in a long distance relationship. If you are in a long distance relationship or in such a situation, then even in long distance situationship, whatever it is, even if you're talking to somebody and you are in a long distance with them, this is my name, and you're in a long distance with them, then you are going to meet them soon. Okay, then you're going to meet them soon in person. Okay, and this is not something that is going to happen on a 5D plane. This is something that is going to happen on the 3D plane, like super fast, like even within 7 hours for some of you, and for some of you even in a week, that is 7 days. Okay, next card is Marco. Okay, the advice in this card is that you need to show compassion towards yourself, and maybe you need to just, it's about sleep cycle mostly. You have to just focus on your sleep cycle so that you are not exhausted, or even if you are having nightmares, don't focus on the negative things that are coming up in your dreams. Okay, because they're just negative energies maybe, or just your own negative thoughts trying to manipulate the whole situation and sabotage the whole situation. So no. Okay, even if you're getting such thoughts in your head that maybe this thing is not for me, and you know in your heart that it is for you, then just go with your intuition basically. Leave the mind and the heart and other confusions, just go with your intuition. Okay, so Marco is here, and with this card I'm getting that you have the knowledge, the wisdom, the higher mental abilities, and the spiritual technology to build your future in this connection. Okay, so you need to focus on your spiritual duties, your spiritual skills and abilities, and that will guide you. Okay, in this connection. Okay, do not put too much of your logic into this. Okay, or whatever you used to believe, or whatever you have decided, like in the case that, what example I'm getting in my head is, for some of you, if you're Christians and you have certain ideas in your head, right, and they just do not align with the union with the partner in your head, right, the partner you're thinking about somebody, and you are thinking that you cannot unite with this person because you have preconceived notions regarding whatever union you want to happen, and that notion comes from your religion or from your culture or whatever you believed. So you need to let go of those things. Okay, you need to not focus too much on those things, because sometimes things just happen despite everything. Okay, like there is no logic. When things have to happen, they will happen. So there is no logic in that. Okay, the next card is Commander Ashtar. Let's see. Okay, what I'm getting with this straight away is that you're protected. This connection is protected. Okay, you do not need to keep an eye on this connection all the time. It is protected. Okay, it is. Another thing is that first it is protected with from the negative energies. Secondly, it is protected in the sense that your person is not going anywhere. Okay, you need to have this faith in your heart that your person is not going to leave your life. Okay, your person is not going to leave your life, even if they mock that they're going to leave, even if they joke that they're going to leave, even if they are unsure about the things, they are not going to leave your life. Okay, and this is not applicable for any kind of narcissistic, abusive, toxic, or any kind of manipulative situations. Okay, none of my readings are for any such situation except when mentioned otherwise. Okay, another thing. Okay, next is you need to connect to your earth element. You need to, you know, ground yourself is what I'm getting. Yes, you need to ground yourself. You need to ground your thoughts. You need to ground your feelings. You need to connect to earth. You need to go on a walk maybe. Okay, also for a very few of you, like 0.1% of you, your relationship is getting affected from some mother energy. Okay, maybe from your side, maybe from their side, but it's for a very rare few of you. Okay, this relationship is not one-sided. This is not one-sided from their side. This is not one-sided from your side. Okay, this is mutual connection where both of you are putting in, efforts and everything. Okay, so you do not need to worry about that. Okay, if you are spiritual, which I think are going to be very few of the viewers, this is for you, that you are going to receive some cosmic wisdom regarding this relationship. Okay, and you need to invite, you need to accept that wisdom very subtly, very humbly. Do not try to overdo anything, or do not try to interfere with the natural process of whatever is happening. Okay, do not try to outsmart the natural happenings. Okay, focus on gaining knowledge, gaining more wisdom in general, and that will help you unite with your person. Permanent union is what I'm talking about. Okay, just keep working on your spiritual wisdom, your spiritual duties. If some of you are cartomancers or any kind of spiritual workers, then you need to focus on your spiritual duties and do them more, so that that will eventually result in your permanent union, including marriage, if that is what you want mutually, in 3D reality in this lifetime with your partner, desired partner. Okay, who you are watching this reading for. You are blessed. Your your knowledge, you are enlightened. If you are enlightened, then your consciousness is going to get expanded. Okay, your knowledge is going to get expanded, and you need to you need to do your duties, you need to give your services, spiritual services, whatever your duties are, you know better. Okay. Then there is this card, Lord Maitreya. For some of you, you are 30 years old maybe, so this message is, there is something significant in this card for you if there is some 30-year-old watching this right now. You need to radiate, when you're honest and when you do things with high intention, good intention, best interest of others and of yourself, then you vibrate in a very good white aura. Okay, pure white aura. Okay, and if you are doing that, very good, keep doing that. And if you are not doing that, try to come into that kind of energy. Okay, try to maintain that kind of purity in everything that you do, everything that you think, everything that you say. Okay, watch your words, because your words manifest, because what you think even manifests. So keep them of the highest vibration. Okay, for yourself, in the best interest of yourself, in the best interest of others. Okay. Okay, people get influenced by you, how you live, how you do things. So it is very important for you that you do things in the right manner. Okay, you will be rewarded, maybe in money for some of you, maybe in some other ways. I'm hearing car, maybe you will be gifted a car, some red color, car of red color. Maybe you will be gifted a car of red color. That is what I'm getting. For your honesty, for your good deeds, for your high thoughts, high intentions. And you need to radiate inner peace that will radiate outside. Okay, so that that will radiate as an energy where you will appear as an understanding and joyous person. Okay, the chirping of the bird, like that joy, like the chirping of the bird, right? Yes. And that will help you sustain your life, that will help in the path of life that you are traveling on. That will move, that will be very smooth for you. Okay, everything will be very will be better for you. Okay, it will just, everything whatever you desire will come to you very easily. Okay, next card is the Cosmic Heart. Because we are talking about the love situation, you need to open your heart fully. Whoever this is, if this is you, you need to open your heart fully. If this is your person, then they are opening your heart fully. Within this week, I'm hearing they will completely open their heart and nothing will be hidden. There will be no barriers from their side, from your side, in the connection between both of you. Okay, you will not become a third party in your own connection, is what is I am getting. Okay, okay, what I'm getting is that you are the center of your person's universe, or your person is the center of your universe. This is the energy that is in this connection right now. Okay, there is pure unconditional love in this connection, and it is a connection of very high frequency, of the 9th dimension. And maybe if both of you are busy, then you need to find time. If they are busy, then today they are going to find time and call you. And if you have been busy, then you need to find time and call your person, okay, and talk your heart out to them, okay. Do not let any barriers be in between you. You have a very powerful but very gentle love between both of you, and and this love radiates to the people around you. They see how, you know, the love that you and your person share affects you positively, and because it shows in your behavior, in you in general, okay. And they see that your person is good for you and you are good for your person, okay. So believe in yourself, believe in your connection, believe, and whatever you want in this connection will happen for sure. And do your spiritual duties is the main message in this reading for you, for your relationship, of course. Okay. Then there is unicorns, okay. So yeah, again, this comes back to your spiritual duties of serving humanity, serving the planet. However, whatever your spiritual duty is, whatever your calling is, you know, because you are spiritual beings. You are, you are connected with your spiritual self. You know what your duty is. You need to pay off your duties, okay. You need to do your duties. That is the main thing that will balance out everything in your life, okay. And you need to work on your dignity, confidence, and strength to do what is right, okay. Your discernment, basically. And that will change the aura around you, of the people around you, of the, you know, the entire environment around you, okay. In your workplace, in whatever you know operate in. I said operate, maybe some of you who are watching this are doctors or healers or physicians, I'm hearing for some reason. So, okay. So that can also be a confirmation that this reading is for you, okay. Your wish is going to be granted. That is why this card has come up, to assure you that your wish of your permanent union with your person in this lifetime is already granted, okay. It is not going to be granted, it is already granted to you. You just need to believe in it, you just need to do your spiritual duties, and it will happen automatically. Just don't worry about it, okay. You have already manifested it with your good deeds. You need to keep doing that so that manifestation can come to you in 3D reality as soon as possible, okay, to speed up the process of your union, you know, which is the purpose of this reading, okay. Just keep doing that, increase that, okay. Whatever good you have been doing, just increase that, and keep that purity in your heart whenever you're doing that, okay. And they will bring to you what is significant to you in your life, like immediately, almost right now. Just think about it, that it has happened already. Your union has happened already. If you want to get married to your person, think you are already married to your person, okay. Think about it, just believe it, live it, and it will happen in 3D reality for sure. It is happening, it will speed up. Now the last card for you, Fire Dragons. just replace the negativity in your life with the purity that you hold in your heart, okay, with the purity of the love that you have in this connection. Okay, for some of you this card is especially for the people who are struggling with getting the approval of their families for marriage of their your marriage with your lover. So for that, just believe in yourself, have that purity in your heart, and do everything with that pure light in you, okay, whatever you do in this connection to make this connection work and lead to permanent union. And just think that this is your time to just consume the negativity and turn it into something positive, okay. So be the alchemist, okay. Just take the negativity and turn it into something positive, okay. I will link one of my blogs which is named Alchemist. You should read it. Maybe there will be some message for you. If you feel called to, then read it. If you don't feel called to it, don't read it, okay. And fire can help you, like light up a diya, light up when, if you are into spiritual practices, then light up a diya while doing puja, because that will help you, the fire will burn the negative energy, okay. So it will help you transmute the negative energy to positive energy very easily. It will ease up the process, it will speed up the process, okay. And be the alchemist so that your negative energy can turn into a situation full of enthusiasm and joy, because union with your person has happened, marriage with your person has happened. Just believe this, just say that me and my person are already married, okay, to each other. Of course, me, like I am married to my person and my person is married to me, something like that, okay. Whatever works for you. There are many manifestation techniques, but before everything you have to believe everything is here, okay. So that is it for you. I have linked the blog in the about section. Sorry, you can check out the about section and my other channels as well. Subscribe to this channel. The link to the blog will be in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you in the next reading. Bye.